What's good? We're on it. Different mode of transportation this morning. Alright, I'm back. We got our coffee and we are out of here. Headed down to Ventnor. Firing. Waves look good. Nice and clean. And the van's in the shop, but we're on it. So I will see you down there. You. Hey, what's good? We're out here. Ready to get it. Here we go. Such a beautiful morning to be out here. So beautiful. That's cool. Dude, you can see the whole Falcon underneath that last one, dude. That was so sick.
So you get the low pass.
That one that flew by, man, I thought I was gonna have to duck. Dude, that's so sick. He's trying to sound like a whale. And I think this is the best show right here. You get to sit in the water, watch all the airplanes flying by. Atlantic City Air Show. I guess it's coming this weekend, next weekend, one of these weekends, one of these weeks. All four of them together flying by. Salt water in my eyes. Alright guys, what's going on? So, I got good news. And the good news is, hey little cat, we got the van back. And Alessandra and I took it and gave it a bath yesterday. And everything is operational inside. I fired up the solar, so we're cranking away. We're charging up, getting the batteries recharged, and right now I am starting to put stuff back in it because we have a big day today. So we're back in the van and I'm getting everything loaded back up, camera gear. So we got a lot going on today. I'm actually getting ready to head over to the pool, knock out some more Ironman training, got to do some swimming. But we also have Olivia's soccer tournament later this afternoon, and I've been taking pictures for the team, posting them on the team site. And I've been using my other camera and the tripod for that, so the tripod's working great. Do have a review coming up for that. Also, my other friend, well, my daughter is Olivia, but my friend Olivia, it's International Olivia Day today, so she has a graduation party. She graduated from college, Florida State. Go Olivia. So super proud of her. We're going to a little party for her down in Ventnor and hanging out for the night, hopefully waking up and having the Absecon Island surf contest tomorrow. If not, there's always a plan B and we go for a long bike ride. So as far as the van, the work we had done, most of it you can't see, but we had new struts put in the front, new shocks put in the back, and we went with a heavier duty set to handle all the weight that I'm going to be adding to this. So now we can start working on other projects, like this week coming up. Hopefully we'll be working on the floor and getting that in. So that'll be exciting. I will most definitely video that, and we'll probably do a time lapse and you guys can see how I do it, what tools I use and whatnot, and we'll kind of go from there and actually throw a little van life education in there. So all right, moving on. So right now I'm packing up the van, getting ready to head over to the pool. We're gonna do some more Ironman training. I will bring you guys with me and show you what I got going on, and then we'll go from there. All right. Hey guys, what's good? Got the van behind us. We're rolling up to Echelon Fitness and Health. This is where I do majority of my triathlon training, because they have an awesome pool, indoor track for the winter time, so it works out. Already got the message found out, thanks to Helen, appreciate it, letting us know that the contest for tomorrow is going to be canceled. So it looks like it's going to be a big triathlon training weekend. The sun is super bright out here. I'm gonna get inside, start the swim workout, and I will see you guys later. And just like that, we're in the pool. So what's going on, guys? So I'm back at you. We're in the pool, we're ready to get it on. I'm gonna try and keep the angle cut to this side. I know you're not gonna see much, but we are in the pool. We got our lane. We're rocking lane number 1 today, and our workout is, I don't know if you can see that, we are doing 7x300s with a max total of 3,300 yards today. So it's going to be a pretty good workout. We got our favorite water, Sensia. We got all our gear set up here, and we are ready to get it. So we're going to start hitting it for the workout. When we're done, I'll let you know what our grand total is, and we'll just keep it moving. All right, see you in a little bit. Hey guys, what's going on? So we're about halfway through. I don't know if you can see it, but we knocked out the warm-up. We did the 2 activations. We did the 150 to 100. We just finished the 300 pull. So now we got another 100, another 50, another 300 pull, a 300 cool down, and we are done. It's done. And right now we're on looks like a 2.5 minute break, almost 3 minutes. We got our heart rate, our last distance, and I'll show you real quick. Total distance, total time. So we're knocking it out. We're getting it done, and trying to hold that 2 minute per 100 pace, maybe 150. Trying to knock it down. So we'll see where we're at. We're almost done. We're almost out of here. I don't know what we're gonna do next. We gotta go look at the training schedule, but we're gonna get back at it, and I will see you when it's finished. Yo guys, what's good? We're back in the van. We're done our swim workout, and it was good. It was good. Here's what we got. I don't know if you guys can see that, but we got 3,200 meters. And that's actually minus 100 meters I didn't account for on my kick, but it's all good. So we recorded 3,200. It took us an hour and 17 seconds. We did a 153 per 100 pace. We only burned 300 calories and change. But we had a good stress score, 126. We're supposed to have 80. We got 126, so that helps me. We pushed it. We're dropping hammers. We're getting workouts done. We're getting close. We're 3 weeks out from this Ironman, and I want to be ready. I want to be ready for this. So we're gonna get out of here. I'm gonna head home, grab something to eat, maybe hit the bike. Definitely got to get a shower. Got to get ready for Olivia's game, Olivia's party, and we out. So I'll see you in a little bit. Hey guys, what's going on? So we had an unfortunate event. We were gonna go for a long bike ride, but the bike didn't want to cooperate. The gears are still messed up from our little crash. So we're at our favorite place, Action Wheels, over here in Mantua. And I got the van with me. And we're gonna pull our bike out and bring it in there and get a nice tune-up done. So we'll see you in a little bit. Let me get this out of here and we'll go and head on in. All right, so we got our bike stripped down. We're gonna go ahead and head on in here to Action Wheels and let them tune up our bike. I'm just gonna lock my car real quick before I head. So we're gonna head into Action Wheels. We're gonna get our bike tuned up and then hopefully pick it up in a couple days and we'll be back on the road. In the meantime, I'm gonna have to get my my triathlon bike out off the trainer and put that to work. Uh-oh, we gotta tighten the front wheel. All right, I'll see you guys in there. All right guys, we found a solution to the problem. It is this piece right here. It's called a hanger, and obviously you can see it's bent. So the bike's up on the rack. Hopefully they have one. If not, they're going to order me one, and we'll get the bike back and get back on the road. But all right, I'm gonna hang out with Patty here. She's over there looking for parts. Say hi, Patty.
Hi, Patty. Oh wait, that's not what I was supposed to say. Hi.
It says Patty over here at Action Wheels. She always hooks me up every time I come in. So if you guys never been here, come and check it out. This place is awesome. And I'll see you guys in a little bit. We got what we needed. A little bit of butter. Some, maybe you can see these, new cleats for my shoes. We're all set. Action Wheels took care of us. It rained while I was in there, which is kind of nice. It's taking this humidity down a little bit. We got another heat wave coming through here in South Jersey. Action Wheels is going to be holding on to my bike for a little bit. They got to order some parts for it. They got to order a new hanger. So I kind of figured something was messed up. I tried adjusting the gears myself, and I do know a little bit about adjusting gears and whatnot. So I adjusted them best I could, and it was working okay, but I knew something was definitely messed up. So let me shut this door. So yeah, I gotta give it to the professionals, let them take care of it, and I know they'll get it back to me soon enough. What a long weekend. We just finished up with Olivia's tournaments. Surf contest got canceled today, so that's kind of a bummer. The party last night was awesome. I've been not vlogging that much, only because I've been taking photos for Olivia's soccer team, posting them up on the team site, and the girls been loving it. All the parents been loving it, so that's what we've been doing. It's not a whole lot of vlogging, but we got things happening today. We're probably gonna go for a run, maybe bike ride on the trainer with the tri-bike, and that's about it. But just want to keep you guys updated, and hopefully we'll be able to get something exciting going on. I can throw a nice vlog together for you guys, and we'll keep it moving. All right, we'll see you later. You.